Friends, what if building apps, generating images, and training custom models was easy and ready to use right in your browser? I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into ModelScope International Station, a leading open-source AI community and a powerful alternative to Hugging Face and Civitai. With ModelScope, you get free API inference, cloud hosting for your projects, and access to trending models like DeepSeek 3.2, the Qwen series, and Kimi. It also works with GLM and Minimax, which are some of the trending models now. You can experiment and even create fully functional projects without spending a cent. I'll show you how to connect a model, run it in your code editor, and even build a fully functional project from scratch. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in. Friends, ModelScope is one of the world's leading open-source communities for AI models, and it's a powerful and cost-effective alternative to Hugging Face. The key feature for developers is its completely free API inference. You get up to 2,000 requests per day to some of the most popular models, such as the Qwen series or DeepSeek. On top of that, the platform offers a free cloud environment for your projects, with no limits for now. Popular systems often appear here first, and cloud hosting allows you to deploy your applications in just a few minutes. It's a very convenient setup if you want to start experimenting quickly. Guys, once we open the dashboard, we can see trending models like DeepSeek 3.2, the Qwen series, Kimi, and others. Through the API, we can access them completely free. So let's actually try using one of them. For example, I want to use DeepSeek, version 3.2. I open it directly on the website. Here I can read about it, see available chat templates, and learn how to run it locally using ModelScope API keys. I can also use the API inference section and check example code in Python for OpenAI API and Anthropic integrations to work with it. But I'm going to take a slightly different approach. Instead, I'll configure Cursor to work directly with the ModelScope API. I open Cursor, go into the settings, and navigate to the Model section. Here I connect my API key and paste the key from my account. Next, folks, I need to redirect the base URL to ModelScope instead of OpenAI. If I want to use DeepSeek, I simply copy the full name and add it in Cursor. Now everything is connected. At this point, we can start using the chat. For example, I want the assistant to explain this piece of code for me, so I ask it to do that. Now the neural network works just as smoothly as paid models, but it's completely free thanks to the limits provided by the platform. Mates, here our assistant starts explaining the logic. And notice the speed and the accuracy of the response. The model doesn't just translate the code, it breaks down the architecture of the request step by step. This makes it an ideal learning tool, because you always have a high-level mentor available for free. But explaining is only the beginning. Let's make the AI create an entire project from scratch. Now we'll ask DeepSeek to write an interactive web application for data visualization. Using the power of the free ModelScope API, we get complex algorithms and clean architecture generated automatically. Let's test it. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! I send one request, and the system starts analyzing it. It breaks the task into smaller subtasks and decides which project files it needs to create. It even plans the structure of the project. Next, it starts setting up the files that need to be added. It creates the folder structure, connects the required libraries, and writes the logic for processing the data. This clearly shows the real value of the platform for rapid prototyping. Friends, you don't need to spend hours doing routine setup work anymore. Just describe your idea, and the platform together with DeepSeek will handle the heavy lifting for you. Here's the solution it suggests. It also shows how to run everything. I copy this command and paste it into the terminal. It downloads all the dependencies from the requirements file. Then it activates the virtual environment. And now we can run our application. Guys, we can immediately see the result that this platform created for us completely for free. Now we can enter our personal finances, daily expenses, category, and amount. and instantly see a nice bar chart showing spending by category. There's also a table with all the expenses listed. We can see that the platform generated by the AI is fully functional. Everything launches and runs smoothly, without any errors. As you can see, ModelScope is not just a repository of models. Folks, it's a complete ecosystem built for developers. In just a few minutes, we were able to integrate the advanced intelligence of DeepSeek directly into our code editor and create a useful project from scratch. And all of this was done completely for free. Alright friends, that's a wrap. ModelScope isn't just a repository of AI models, it's a full ecosystem for developers. In minutes, we integrated the intelligence of DeepSeek directly into our code editor and built a fully functional project from scratch, completely free. Mates, here's your bonus. Use my invitation code shown on screen or register through the link in the pinned comment. That will give you an extra 100 magic cubes on top of your daily free credits. Remember that the platform also provides unlimited cloud storage. You can host your models, datasets, and AI applications that you build on the platform without worrying about strict limits. So don't waste time. Follow the link and sign up today. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.